Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, kung meron pong mga tanong, message lang po kayo sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? Sa private reading man yan, sa evil eye items, kay granter. Yan, message lang po kayo, ha? Okay. So, let's start your reading agad-agad. Air signs. So, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay, the Six of Cups. Ooh, okay. The Hangman. Okay, there's a water sign who is thinking of you, who is missing you. Okay, pwedeng friend mo, pwedeng past lover. Yeah, see? Ay, grabe, iniisip ka nito. Umaga, gabi, pwedeng di na ito nakakatulog. Bakit? Let's see. Anong meron dito? Bakit kanya iniisip ng malala? Malala, oo. Sasabihin kong malala, oo. Why the Hangman? Okay, dalawa. Hindi makamove on tong taong to. Oo. They can't, oo. Hindi nila kayang mag-move on ng wala ka, or hindi nila kayang mag-move on dahil wala ka. Or, inulit ko lang. Hindi nila gusto na mag-move on. Okay? Gusto nito, ito pa rin siya, oh. Gusto kanya makausap. Someone is sabihin nating talagang rumerenta ka na sa utak ng taong to. Hindi ko mawari bakit. Gusto ko makausap, gusto ko makita. The Four of Wands. Someone na pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng strong connection ng taong to, or hanggang ngayon may strong connection kayo. Pwedeng kapamilya mo, nanay, tatay mo, someone. Okay? So, what else? Past mo. Yan, past person mo. Okay. So, Knight of Cups. And the Two of Pentacles. Someone is juggling pagdating sa isang action. Okay? Yeah, this person is attracted pagdating sa'yo. Why are they juggling? Bakit? The King of Wands Universe. Ay. Okay. So, parang meron ditong tao na gustong gumawa ng action towards you, pero ayaw nila ipakita na gagawa sila ng action dahil parang, para sa kanila sign of weakness yon. I don't know why. Sign of weakness. They like you. Yan o. Okay? Pwedeng aqua, Sagittarius, water, and earth. Okay. Iba naman dito, meron ditong pwedeng may parating na offer. Cup of love. Okay. Someone will pursue you, maybe. So, hindi mo kailangan magmadali dito. Okay? Bakit? Iba sa inyo, kailangan mo ng pag-isipan mabuti, or siguro kailangan mo kailangan mabuti muna yung taong yan, mapalalaki, mapababae, kung ano man ang gender. Okay? Because you don't know kung anong totoong kulay ng taong to. Okay? Before ka kumunik. Okay. What else? The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. What is that? The Three of Wands in reversed. Someone is sabotaging the luck. Okay? Yung luck na parating sa'yo, may mga sumasabotahe. Okay? See? Protect your energy. Please, protect your energy. Again. Protektahan nyo po, ha? Okay? Yung may mga naka-avail ng evil eye dyan, gamitin nyo. Okay? Gamitin nyo po, ha? So, Yeah, mag-provide kayo. Okay? Mag-provide kayo ng evil eye. Okay, so yun lang. Kasi maraming yung nanabutahe ng energy sa ngayon. Maraming inggit, maraming galit sa'yo. Maraming gustong hindi maging okay ka. Maraming gustong hilahin ka pababa. Mga ganyan. Okay, imbis na mapunta sa'yo yung mga minamanifest mo o yung mga good energies, nasasabotahe agad eh. Okay, next is fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. So, anong meron? Messages, energy check-ins, and prediction for fire signs. Okay, the Hierophant. So, that's commitments. Okay. Responsibilities, maybe. What's with the Hierophant? Strength. Okay. Something na parang iso-shoulder mo. Yeah. See? The King of Pentacles. Some of you, may chance na magkaroon ng progress. Okay? Sa kung ano man. Ang mga pinagtutuunan nyo ng effort nyo, ng pansin, ng kung ano man. Okay? Yung parang talagang parang nakikita ni universe na ikaw ay tutok. Oo, doon sa kung ano man ang ginagawa mo. Okay? Some of you, you're manifesting something na pwedeng, yeah, see? Oh my God. This is a relationship. Okay? Some of you, may chance ng kasal. Meron po. Okay? Nandito rin yung parang magtitibay na eh. Magkakaroon ng stability pagdating sa commitments. Okay? Someone. Pwedeng earth sign. I don't know. Pwedeng Cancer. Pwedeng Leo. Okay. Yeah, earth sign din. Because of the dalawa kanina, no? Si King and si Queen of Pentacles. So, what else? Yeah, the Ten of Wands. So, ano naman to? Mga responsibilidad na ito. Baka may mga iso-shoulder na naman. Ano to? The Lovers in reversed. You don't need to suffer. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan din magpakamartir sa kung saan meron dito. Kung ano man to. Some of you, you're in a third party connection. Okay? Yeah. Gamitan lang to. Ginagamit ka lang. Okay? See? Kailangan mong lumayo na. Okay? Kung may mga third party dyan, kailangan nyo ng layuan. Kung ikaw, nasa tama kang pagdedesisyon at pag-iisip, ikaw na ang gumawa ng action. Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Someone is sobrang pagod. Oo. Huwag niyong hayaan yung sarili niyong makakuha pa ng sakit. Oo, kasi sobrang trabaho. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, the Hanged Man. I-release niyo naman yung sarili niyo sa mga burdens, sa mga sabihin nating responsibilidad na hindi naman dapat. Okay? Yeah, you're sacrificing a lot. Okay? The Ace of Cups in reverse and the Ten of Cups. Some of you, pwedeng ikaw is a breadwinner. Ganyan. May mga magpapahinga dito, yes. The Four of Swords. May mga magpapahinga dahil hindi, sabihin natin, kailangan lang magpahinga. Yeah, literal na higa. Okay, at matutulog. Parang time out muna sa mga gawain. Gusto ko muna magpahinga. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, there. Someone is holding back. Kaya sila nag-hold back dahil gusto nila na ikaw yung gagawa ng action towards them. Someone na nagkaroon kayo ng separation, fallout. Okay? So, next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, anong message for water signs? Okay, the Six of Cups. The Moon. Someone will express their true, genuine emotion pagdating sa'yo. Okay, meron ditong magbibigay ng gift. Someone, pwedeng may makakatanggap dito ng surprise or present. Okay? Or sabihin nating peace offering, mga ganyan. Okay? Meron ditong tao na sobrang nasasad at ikaw ay pwedeng napapanaginipan na niya. Oo. Kakaisip sa'yo. Yeah, the Four of Wands in reverse. May mga gagawin sa bahay, may mga aayusin, may mga i-fix. Babalik ta rin yung bahay. Okay, may mga lilipat ng tirahan. May mga magre-resign. Yeah, see the Seven of Wands in reversed. Dahil wala nang pinatutunguhan yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may separation din na mangyayari dahil wala nang pinatutunguhan. No? Parang, yeah, something is not going anywhere, mga ganyan. Yeah, Days of Wands in reverse, Days of Cups in reverse, and daming delays. Okay, yeah, the Devil. It's too toxic. Toxic. There's a lot of issue here na kailangan hindi na lang siguro tiisin. Okay. May mga itatapon. Yeah, mga gamit sa bahay na pwedeng hindi na napapakinabangan. Page of Cups in reverse. Someone is shy. Being shy. Oh no, the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Meron ditong gustong humingi ng help sa'yo, like financially. Yeah, parang ikaw na lang yung option nila. Oh no. Okay. What's with that? Someone is sabihin natin may nakukulangan dito pagdating sa appreciation or affection or something na pwedeng patungkol sa emosyon eh. Yeah, see? The Ace of Cups, this is emotion. Parang meron na nagkukulang. Opo, may nagkukulang na dito. Okay? Kalinga, mga ganyan. Sa mga dapat mong binibigyan siguro. Okay? Meron ditong parang energy na parang may nagtatampo na. Parang ganun. Water sign like you, earth sign. Okay? Yung parang hindi lang ma-express yung feelings nila, nahihiya sila mag-open up. Like that. Okay? So, next. Okay. Pwede sa water sign, pwedeng sa earth sign. Okay, baliktad. Someone wants to commit. Wants to express their emotion. Pwede sa water sign, pwedeng sa earth sign ha. Kasi that's channeled. Okay? So, anong meron? For earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Okay, so nakita ko si Nine of Cups kanina. That's manifestations. Okay, something like a wish fulfillment. Mga ganyan. Okay, the Hermit in reversed. What's with that? See? Kanina, Nine of Cups pala. Oh, this is the Nine of Pentacles. Meron ditong nagkakagusto sa'yo, Earth sign. Hindi lang nila alam kung papaano. Hindi, ba yan? Parang torpe. Parang ganyan. Hindi malaman. Hindi nila alam kung paano gagawin pag nandyan ka. Feeling awkward. Mga ganyan. Okay, okay. Some of them, they're stalking you. Trying to stalk you. Someone pwedeng earth sign like you and Virgo. Okay, why the Hermit in reversed? See? Oh, the Four of Cups. Every time na nakikita ka nito, wala naman silang ginagawa. They ignore you. Okay, they ignore you. So, yun nga pwedeng na-awkwardan sila or nahihiya sila. Something like, okay, wala akong alam na gawin kapag nandyan ka, earth sign. So, Yeah, hahangaan lang kita. Parang ano, some of you that's like ligaw tingin. Parang, okay. I don't know. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles, some of you needs to save. Okay? The Seven of Swords. Tingnan ko tong Seven of Swords. Someone is secretly taking or making actions, or sabihin natin hindi mo kailangan ipakita sa lahat kung anong meron sa'yo. Okay? To protect na rin your energy. See, the Six of Pentacles in reverse. Kasi sabihin natin, kung ipapakita mo kung ano bang meron sa'yo, improvement man yan or whatsoever, may mga taong may masama pa rin masasabi. May masasabi at masasabi pa rin. See, Death in reversed. Parang wala silang kunyaring pakialam, pero ang laki ng pake. Parang ganyan. Be careful kung saan mo ilalagay yung pera mo. Meron ditong mga misplace. Okay? Tapos meron ka pang masisisi. Yun pala kasalanan mo rin. Anyway. Okay. Earth signs. Ten of Cups. Oh. Some of you, there's an occasion. Okay. Occasion. Gatherings. What's with that? The Knight of Swords. May matutuloy. Okay. Or plano na mangyayari pagdating sa isang okasyon. See, the Ace of Swords. Matutuloy yan kung ano man yan. Okay? Some of you, may mga pagkikita-kita, yeah, like family gatherings, like that occasion. Yung iba rito, pwedeng pupunta sa isang kasal. Mga ganyan, maanyayahan ka. And yes, pupunta ka naman. Oh, wow! Kailan ka pa pumunta, Earth sign, sa mga paanyaya? Oo. Ano po, yan pa lang po. Diba? Very good. Very good, diba? Oo. So, yeah, hindi mo to tatanggihan pupunta ka. Okasyon. I cannot. Okay. Oo. Okay, sige. So, may narinig ako. Kasi po noon, tumanggi na ako, kaya ngayon hindi na. Nakakahiya kasi. Diba? Meron ditong may mamimit na maybe family ng boyfriend or girlfriend mo. Meron, yes, may mga ganyan. Okay? Ooh. Okay, so there, yeah, yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you! Bye!